The blockchain technology and cryptocurrency space continues to evolve, with Layer 2 and Layer 3 solutions becoming hot topics of discussion among blockchain enthusiasts and developers. Understanding these layers and how they differ is crucial for both blockchain developers and users who want to fully leverage the power and potential of blockchain technology. Layer 3 is a third layer in blockchain technology, and it represents an evolution in the way we think about the blockchains and distributed ledger technology. It refers to a network of services and applications that exist above the core blockchain protocol, which is Layer 1, and scaling solutions, Layer 2. Layer 3 protocols build upon the functionality provided by Layer 2 solutions, offering additional features, capabilities, and efficiencies. Layer 3 solutions aim to provide a complete ecosystem for decentralized applications, dApps, and services, including decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gaming, and other decentralized internet applications. This level can further enhance scalability, interoperability, and user experience. While both Layer 2 and Layer 3 aim to address the limitations of blockchain, primarily in terms of scalability and transaction speed, they operate on different premises. Layer 2, also known as off-chain solutions, sits directly on top of Layer 1, the core blockchain protocol layer. They are designed to increase the scalability of blockchain network by conducting transactions off the main chain. Some popular Layer 2 solutions include Lightning Network for Bitcoin, Optimistic Rollups, ZK Rollups, and Plasma for Ethereum. Layer 2 solutions maintain security by periodically submitting proofs to Layer 1, while conducting most transactions off-chain. These solutions can vastly improve transaction speed and lower transaction fees, making blockchain more accessible and feasible for high-volume applications. Layer 3, on the other hand, does not directly interact with the main blockchain. Instead, it builds on the functionality provided by Layer 2 solutions, aiming to create an ecosystem of decentralized applications and services. One important role of Layer 3 solutions is fractal scaling. As explained by Starkware, a leading blockchain technology firm, Layer 3 solutions can nest multiple Layer 2 solutions, thereby exponentially increasing the scalability of the network. This fractal scaling property is a distinctive feature of Layer 3, as it can create a tree-like structure of nested Layer 2 solutions, providing even greater transaction capacity. Another major difference between Layer 2 and Layer 3 is their emphasis on user experience. While Layer 2 is primarily focused on improving scalability and transaction speeds, Layer 3 takes this step further by enhancing the usability and interoperability of dApps and services. It can provide infrastructure for seamless communication and interaction between different blockchain applications, thereby improving the overall user experience. Layer 3 can also help improve privacy and security through advanced cryptographic techniques and better data handling practices. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, it is clear that Layer 2 and Layer 3 solutions are set to play a critical role in the future of blockchain. While Layer 2 solutions improve the scalability and efficiency of blockchain networks, Layer 3 solutions aim to create a complete ecosystem for dApps and services, enhancing scalability, interoperability, user experience, privacy, and security. It's an exciting time in the world of blockchain technology, with Layer 3's potential poised to unleash the full power of crypto. The vision of Layer 3, as shared by Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik and other industry leaders, is of a decentralized internet where blockchain-based services and applications interact seamlessly and efficiently, bringing the promise of blockchain. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has expressed enthusiasm about Layer 3, recognizing it as an important advancement in blockchain technology. According to various sources and interviews, Buterin believes that Layer 3 could play a significant role in fulfilling the full potential of blockchain and cryptocurrency. One of the main ideas proposed by Buterin is the concept of rollups. These are Layer 2 solutions that can greatly enhance the scalability of Ethereum, taking a large number of transactions off-chain while maintaining strong security guarantees. Buterin believes that these rollups are not just limited to Layer 2s, but can also be built on top of each other, thus providing exponential scaling. This is the concept of fractal scaling, which can be considered a part of the layer 3 vision. Buterin suggests that as we move into this layer 3 era, the main task of Ethereum base layer will become more simplistic and robust, serving as a secure consensus layer. This layer 1 will mainly verify proofs from layer 2 and layer 3 solutions, which are conducting most of the computation and storage off-chain. In summary, Buterin sees layer 3 as an important part of evolution of blockchain that could help bring forth the full capabilities of decentralized networks. By leveraging layer 3 solutions, Buterin believes that the future of blockchain technology and Ethereum could offer even greater scalability, security, and usability. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We appreciate this a lot. Also, it gives us a hint that we should create more videos just like this one. Thanks and see you next time.